STS TV, STS TV, STS TV. Let's get it. Okay, we back pumping again. We back cooking. Okay, so it's not a surprise. We back cooking with the Catslap, right? Okay, so we back in the green as expected. Now, what's going on here is you can literally, I like how you can just sit here and watch it like a pilot. Like just watch his instruments. Like if you can't see outside the window, just watch your instruments. Okay. So right down here we can see the buyers, buying pressure. These are all the buyers. See, a lot of green. A lot of this person spent $1,000. Thank you. This person spent what, 600? Thank you. This person spent 400. This idiot right here, he a cheap fuck. You sold out for $881, dog. Come on, stay in. Don't be him. But as you can see, people are buying, and another order came in, $31. All these are retail investors throwing in a little money. I threw 263, but these guys right here, honestly, these are the future millionaires, bro. Honestly, all of us, because I even bought more. I bought $50 worth more. So and how early we're in. Okay, so let me show you what I mean with dog whiff, right? So I gotta walk you there. So I got time. I'm walk you there, man. So I'm gonna show you what happened with whiff. So you get an understanding of what happened with that price, okay? So we're gonna go whiff. I wanna get a good chart. Okay, so whiff, right? So we're gonna go max. Okay, so whiff. So I'm gonna show you what happened, right? So whiff down here. So as you can see, whiff started trading all the way down here. It actually traded a little bit lower than this. I think it was 0011 somebody, right? 55 somebody. But December 12th, 2023, that's when whiff started trading, right? Catslap. Okay. Catslap started trading right here, November 22nd, 2024, right? At this 0.0019, whatever, right? Pretty much the same price start as whiff, the .00. So in other words, this thing has the potential to become a market cap like whiff. Now, if we get to up here at $4.58, this took whiff 3 months to do, right? From December to March, January, February, March. And people became ultra millionaires when it hit 458. That's not even supposed to happen. But that's the meme coin era we in. It's not about what's supposed to happen. It's not built off any business. It's just an influx of people who support a meme that they like, a dog with a hat, dog with hat, or whiff. People like the picture, they like the concept. It's like a piece of fine art, and they put money on it. This is the crypto space. You know what I mean? It's not supposed to make sense and all. This is the new age. Okay, so we're gonna check on our Catslap real quick. Okay, so we're still in the 92 range. Looking out for 23 soon, okay? But we're looking good. So, like I said, and this thing went up, I think 455% or something like that. Like some crazy stuff, bro. Okay, the all-time high is 483, bro. And the all-time low, it says it right here. That's crazy. That's what, a 2200x? Like, bro, you're a millionaire if you put 200 in there, bro. And that could happen with this token. That's why I said, don't count yourself out the million, because look at this. Look at this, bro. The lowest price paid for dog whiff is this. Pretty much where we started at, which was recorded on December 12th. December 13th, 12 months ago. Comparatively, the current price is up 202,531% higher than its all-time low. So what you got to do is put 263 and times it. No, just forget it. Okay, so people that's scary money. You know what I'm saying? So I'm strapped in, man. I already got my plan to pull out when I hit the 100,000. Well, actually, it's gonna be 150 because I put in a little bit more money in my calculations. You gotta have a pull out plan. You know what I mean? So I already got my little plan. When I hit 150, I'm pulling out. I'll probably pull out like 130. I want to leave like 20 in there flipping to go to the height, the mill. You know what I mean? Even I'm gonna just eat on two ends. I ain't gonna try to eat. I ain't gonna try to take all out. You know what I mean? But I ain't gonna hold you. If you got stomach and you ride this thing to like, cause WIF ain't stopped yet, bro. WIF's still going. So if you ride this thing to like 3. Cause how high does this thing go? 458 is the high. It could go back there. So imagine if you're still in from all the way down here, bro. Okay, so you went up here and you didn't sell. And you still, okay, so boom, all through the summer, you was chilling. You ain't selling nothing. And it's going back up. Now what it's gonna do, it's gonna retest this. It retested it right here. And once it retest, boom, it's out of here, bro. So, okay, let's check our buying pressure again. Let's see what's going on. So how are we looking on the buys? Okay, we're looking good on the buys. So as long as, in theory, as long as these buys keep coming in like this, it's like I said, it's like the captaincy. It's like a cheat sheet. So we got the buys right here. It's almost 4 times the sells. We got the buyers and sellers almost, you know, the volume is good. Now this is what I want to show too. The liquidity went up a lot. The liquidity was, I think, 2 million. That was 3.5 with a smaller market cap. This thing is coming together so nice. It's crazy. It has all the fundamentals to blow, and it will blow. Watch, because this is what you call the making of a good storm, and it's all documented by me. So watch out, Mog. Catslap price tip to skyrocket amid the token burn and the GameFi utility boomer. Okay, so let's check out what GameFi is. So Popcat rival Slapcat has burned 10 million tokens to mark the 10 million slaps on the new counted theme slap meter. Rival hit Catslap has rewarded its rapidly expanding community of token holders and players by removing 10,000 slap tokens from the supply, potentially increasing the value of the remaining circuit. Following the move, the team has created a burn token dashboard where all past and future burn events will be logged. So let's go there. Oh yeah, we get the long videos. And I'm gonna hypnotize y'all into watching these long videos. We gotta get the watch time up. No more short videos. Okay. Go up here to the top. Hit burn tracker. Also, I heard they're turning off the staking. Get a little water. I gotta get a tripod, man. Okay, so as of yesterday, this is how much burned. It's only going to increase as our coin gets more popular, and we're gonna get rich. Follow the move. The team has created a burn token dashboard. There's no login sign up. What is the rumor of the major amount in the major announcement by Catslap team is 70? If they get listed on the exchange, bro, with a low market cap and people are able to buy this in Robinhood, I mean, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna quit, but I don't see no point in working. Analysts predict Catslap at 600x. Could this be the quickest way to flip 1,000 to 600K? I'm telling you, like, people think this is a joke, but I mean, if you put 200 in there, you getting, come on, bro, it's 2 times 6. You do the math on that. Like, that's doable. Then you throw that in Ethereum, that's gonna build forever, bro. Throw some of that in Solana. That's what I'm doing. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing. So when this, because you gotta have a plan when this thing take off. I'm gonna be real calm. in the driver's seat and take my time and take my coins out slowly. Off of 40% staking, that's pretty good for them boys that be staking, them stake boys. So it's the little dude that wrote the article. So he FOMOing, he doing his job, you know what I'm saying? He doing his job. But that's what Catslap looking like, man. So it's another check-in on the cat slizzle. All right, so right before we check out, let's check the buying pressure one more time. Looking good. Look at all green lights, man. Look at that going up. Candlesticks going up. Like I said, everything look good. All the makings of a good coin. And we should be up to the 25.295 now. Come on, where we at? I said 9.5. We at 9.7, baby, because so many buys. Can't lose. All right, so I might go live. All right, yeah.